Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a few things in store. I'm getting a little bit of a maintenance issue, I guess, after the trip from Monterey. So again, if you guys haven't watched those videos, there's 4 videos up right now. Go ahead and watch that. If not, then just hit like on this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. But anyways, car's in the background right now, you guys can see. And we're having a little bit of issues. We're getting a spark misfire issue. I'm thinking it's just Coilpacks. We do need to change the spark plugs in these in this car soon, but because I'm planning on going KO4 within the next month or so, I would recommend it not to do it yet and just go ahead and hope for the best with the coils first. So we did go to the store and get coils, and also it is hitting close to 5,000 miles on the car since last oil change, so we're gonna do an oil change on the car as well. And yeah, the other thing that I wanted to do today was to actually clean up the car. I was gonna take it for a wash, but I totally forgot. Now that it's in here, I want it to cool down, so I don't want to take it out. But I'm probably gonna end up having to wipe all this down, the whole car and stuff like that. And I want to get like a paint roller or a paintbrush, most likely a roller, and grab some of the paint that I have left over for this car and actually go over some stuff like right here. Hopefully maybe I can get that to look better. And then I also have a little bit of respray. You can't see right now because it's dirty, but there's actually a little bit of respray right here from spraying the black accents. So I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna wipe it down real quick and then go to the store, grab the roller, grab my paint, and then see how it works. I've never done this before, and I don't know anybody that actually has a plastic dip car that's actually done this before. So basically a little bit of touch up. I think there's some on the front too, you can't see right now, but definitely can do that. Alright, I'm gonna be using some McGuire's ceramic detailer to hit some of the spots. Hopefully this is not gonna mess up anything with plastic dip, but we'll see. I guess this is just an experiment, but we'll wipe this down first. Oh, the dog wanted to say hi. The fronts also have the same issue. It's like, oh whoa, I just noticed that my bumper is falling off. So this was kind of what I was talking about over here with this bumper, right here and right underneath there, and basically, oh, it's too bright. Yeah, the bumper fell off. Didn't even realize it, so gotta fix that too for the end of today. Alright, so I went to the store, grabbed a new bolt. You guys can see right there. in there already. I think I'm actually gonna change the other side as well, even though the other side's not coming out yet, but might as well just change it. That one looks, actually I might just keep it. I don't know, maybe I'll change it to make it the same though. We'll see. Alright, never mind. On the other side, it's actually the same exact bolt that I just got, because it actually looked familiar when I went to the store and grabbed it, so I was like, this must be the right size. So basically, same bolt and nut on this side, and it's not coming out, so I'm just keep that and have one more spare. I'll just put it in my trunk or my toolbox. Alright, so as right now, I'm gonna see how this looks. I don't know how Plastidip works exactly after a while. It's been a couple, oh my god, I guess it's been like 2 months now, or something like that. 2-3 months since, ooh, it still smells, holy crap. 2-3 months since I blast painted it and used this. I don't know if there's an expiration date, or let's see. It looks about the same as it was before, so I'm hoping this is good. I'll show you guys what it looks like. That's the color. Okay. If you guys watched the video of me painting the car, you guys remember that it looked exactly like that. So that's good to see. Hopefully it works. Again, I don't know anybody who's tried this before, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, now I got this little tiny one, you can see, and a little tray thingy. We'll just dump a little bit of this. Again, I've never done this before with Plastidip, so hope for the best. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but right off the bat, it has this like really weird finish. I don't remember if that's how it looked before, like when I use a spray, but as of right now, I don't really like it. Hopefully it dries a little bit better. Like all that stuff, I don't like that. But over here, it's okay. Maybe I just gotta hit it better with the roller. Alright, so as it sits right now, the finish isn't the best on a certain part, but now that I wiped it down with water, because I took a little rag like this and put water on it, wiped it down, and then wiped this down as well, and then hit some other spots. Actually, it's coming out a little bit better. So I'm guessing that has to be something with the ceramic coating. Alright, so on this side, I think we got most of it. The finish isn't amazing compared to like, well, even this, like this right here, you guys can see like there's little bumps and stuff. It's not amazing, but you can barely even see on the camera. This has actually been there since like the beginning. I messed up, like this is like one of the spots I messed up. But anyways, you really can't see the respray line anymore, even down to here, so I'm actually kind of happy about that. And over here, it's looking like same thing. The respray line's gone, and yeah. Alright, now make sure to replace the crush washer. It's gonna be about 22 foot-pounds on this thing. Alright, now with all of that being finished, everything on the bottom is finished, now we take to do all the stuff up top. Alright, so now I'm going to put the new filter in. This will be about 18 foot-pounds, but I mean, hand tight is usually enough. It is 4.9 liters of this 5W40 liquid mold. Alright, now on to the fun stuff, our Coilpacks. So, let's see. There you go. Alright, I may or may not be sitting on top of the motor or the car right now, but I got 2 out so far. So you gotta give it a pretty good wiggle. And this here is what we got for our replacement, which is pretty cool. If you guys can see that, boom. Looks like this. It's Denso. These are also dubbed the R8 Coilpacks, red top R8s. Alright, looks like she's all good. Sounds all good back here. Oh, by the way, it did finish up pretty nicely, by the way, all the plastic dip stuff. It finished up really nicely, in my opinion. Again, don't mind that little dot right there, but everything else finished really nicely. I also did go ahead and actually put a little bit more right here and right there, and it came out pretty nice. So I might actually end up doing that more, but getting better paint brushes and like more like detailed ones to you know, finish up that stuff as well. Alright, with that being said, that's all we got for today. I'm going to now clean up everything. Yeah, that's it. I'm not going to bore you guys with some cleanup. So, thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe button, and comment if you guys want to. It's just a little maintenance vlog. And that's it. So, peace. See you guys next time.